Hello guys, and welcome to Hammerit, hammer crushing channel. And today we're gonna crush a little bit different things. Now first we're gonna crush this ice block. As you can see, we're gonna crush this PYKRETE, I think that was called, and then we're gonna crush this ballistic gelatin. So firstly we're gonna crush ice block, and we're gonna compare them, how strong they are, so write in the comments down below. And if you guys really want to, I can make a tutorial how to make this gelatin block. It simulates human flesh, so you can do a lot of different tests with it. So yeah. So first we're gonna crush this ice block, and as you can see, it's a little bit melted, but it should be good anyways. So yeah, write in the comments down below which one of these three you think is gonna be the most strongest or the most resistant. And yeah, let me show you. So okay, I'm gonna crush it with a lot of power. So yeah, and I'm gonna later tell you a few things about PYKRETE. So let's go ahead and get into some crushing action. As you can see, it didn't really stand a chance. Okay, so another thing is this. I guess it's sort of like PYKRETE. Now in the World War II, Great Britain planned to make gunboats out of this. I guess you can say PYKRETE. And if you guys really want to, I could also make a tutorial video how to make PYKRETE, how to make this ballistic gelatin. And yeah, let's go ahead and crush it with our sledgehammer. As you can see, its hardness can be compared to concrete. I mean, as you can see, it is really resistant. So yeah. As you can see, it doesn't really wanna break. It is really resilient, almost as hard as concrete. But yeah. Okay, so for the last test, we're gonna crush this ballistic gelatin. I think I added way too much water, so as you can see, it is breaking down. But it is really easy to fix it, because you can simply re-smelt it and cast a new form. So let's go ahead and crush it. As you can see, it doesn't really surrender to crushing, because it's gelatin. It's ballistic gel. So yeah, it simulates human flesh. So it is pretty difficult to destroy. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. And as always, stay awesome, and I'll see you next time. Bye.